Hey, dragon dude. What the heck? Who put this whoopee?
Enough! Steady. Steady.
Oh wait, I won't land in it. I'm fine.
But this cookie store is only for people I care about, so leave! As I thought, 2 fakers!
That's it. You're going to detention.
Oh no, I'm not.
Sofa cushion launcher!
Get a C-.
What?
Heart is beating. I think I found my true love.
Your true love. Get lost.
Stop.
Mannix, why did you do that? To go outside and get flowers for you. Oh my god, Susie, are you okay? This douche? No way.
That's it.
Oh!
Gosh, that's right! Now go inside and write the script! Alright, action! Look at me, I'm Dragon Dude.
Drop the meteor.
Wait, don't! I don't have my gear on!
That's great! Now we need a new prop!
You, Peanut and Jessica, because you couldn't finish your movies.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, thanks.
Ghost keeps throwing me around!
Hey, I got you.
Give me your brains!
Oh my gosh, Susie is possessed.